What's up YouTube? We back with another video. In today's video we're going to be doing a full wrap on this M4, and man, this color is going to be crazy, a complete transformation. I'm going to show you guys the color here in a second. We're going to be doing this candy red on the M4, and this thing is going to turn out crazy. So first things first, we're about to wash the car, get it ready for wrap, and then we're going to disassemble this thing. We're going to jump right into it though. I'm super excited to see how this thing turns out. Alright guys, as you guys can see, we took off the grill and the fender vents. Still got a little bit more disassembly to do. We gotta take the door handles off, we're gonna take the gas cap off, we're gonna take the tail lights out and debadge it, of course. Door handles off, we got the fender vents off, the grill, and we got the tail lights out. We're still gonna be taking the tail lights out of this one as well. And we got the gas cap off. And yeah, we don't really have to take too much off. We're also going to take the bumpers and loosen the screws so we can get that full coverage. But this thing is going to look crazy. guys, we completely finished the M4 with all the gloss black accents in the front, the mirrors in gloss black. We also did gloss black accents on the rear bumper. Man, this thing turned out super clean. Like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you guys think. We also just finished up an accident repair on this one. We also ended up doing a full ceramic coat on it. He wanted to get the 1 year, we upgraded him to the 3 year, just cause, why not? And this thing turned out crazy. Let me know what you guys think of how this one turned out. Sheesh. Get the lights off because we're about to get out of here. But this thing definitely looks clean in that candy apple red. With the gloss black accents on the rear diffuser and also on these winglet parts to give it like a 3-piece diffuser look, which turned out super clean. Sheesh. And we've been doing some different styles on the gas cap lately. We got the Rain's Garage with the RG up top. Let me know what you guys think of this M4. And man, we got a lot more content on the way, man. We got 2 wraps dropping off on Sunday and Monday. We're going to knock both those out, so make sure you guys stay tuned for those videos. And we're going to be going to Import Expo tomorrow, so make sure you guys stay out tuned for that video. That video should be out before those wrap videos. And also, we are going to Rick Ross Car Show. That's going to be the biggest car show of the year. Man, we dropped a bag just to be able to go with the Q50. And we also picked up the trailer for the X5M. So we are going to be trailering that Q50 to the Rick Ross show. Unfortunately, we don't have the wrap on the X5M yet, just because we're holding off for the carbon fiber. So make sure you guys stay tuned, man. We're going crazy this year. Content is going to have to go through the roof. And probably going to do 4 videos. Got a cameraman for the Rick Ross show. He's going to be coming along with us and documenting the whole thing. We're going to be doing like 4 videos. So make sure you guys stay tuned. And peace.